Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find different type of contacts in the Saudia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the help button. And at the contact us section, click on the talk to us button. And as you can see, you will be able to find different contacts to different places. There's a local number, international number. And then there's also one for customer relations and a Saudia cargo contact as well. So here you can find them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.